Okay, so right now I'm doing a new screen grab just to show you how easy it is to start a new YouTube channel. If you are completely new to YouTube, this is going to be helpful to you, and I'm going to give you some pro tips along the way. I'm going to show you how to start organizing categories and produce content right away, show you how easy it is to start a channel, and as you're recording new videos, I'm going to show you what you can do in the meantime to start putting content onto your channel. So it's not difficult to simulate starting a new channel for your business, because that's exactly what I'm doing for my own business right now. I'm new to Pennsylvania, so this is my new YouTube channel for my new LLC in Pennsylvania. So this is what that looks like. So to create a new YouTube channel, you need to have a Google business account already established. So I'm assuming that if you have your business registered with Google, if you have a Google Maps address, if you get Google reviews, for example, that is the platform that you want to leverage for your new YouTube channel. Because again, YouTube is owned by Google. You want Google, your main Google business profile, to be the parent company of that YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is to start a new channel. I'm going to go over here to my Google avatar, my little profile photo on the top right here, and I'm going to go down to settings. And right now, I'm in YouTube. I first went and logged into my Gmail account, then I went to YouTube. So then I go over to my profile within YouTube, and I go to add or manage channels, right? So I can create a new channel. Here's my business channel here, but I can also create a new channel. So let's say I want to create a channel that is brand specific for State College, Pennsylvania, and I want to include my expertise or sort of my firsthand point of view for this channel. So let's call this State College PA homeowner. Okay, so I'm just going to use this as an example to show you just how easy it is to start a YouTube channel. So there it is. There's my new YouTube channel. And let me start. I did a little bit of research beforehand, just a tiny bit, and to see there's a playground in my neighborhood, and there are no YouTube videos. In fact, Homestead Park is in my neighborhood, but it doesn't even have a Google address. So that's an opportunity for me to start producing videos for my neighborhood and show that I have the authority, that I actually live here. So let's go to manage videos, and I'm going to just start uploading videos to this channel.